Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype issues. To know how to find a solution about Skype issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Skype and you will click. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here in this window you will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And you can turn off your Wi-Fi as you see here to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and dear